The Ultra-Containment Wall M2 is a modular system used to provide spill containment for frac tanks, chemical storage tanks, and other large vessels. The systems are built on site using straight wall sections and corner sections. Because the system is modular, the containment area can be just about any size or shape needed. Simply determine the amount of space or containment needed, clear any obstructions from the area, and you're ready to start building. Straight wall sections and corners should be brought in and connected to form the structure of the system. The all polyethylene rotomolded sections are durable enough to withstand the daily rigors commonly seen on site, but lightweight enough that they can be installed without lifting equipment. The walls and corners of the system lock together quickly and easily without the use of tools. Simply insert the included pin at each wall and corner connection. It is recommended that all 4 walls be set up to ensure proper spacing. Remove the wall that will be the entry and exit point for the frac tank, tanker truck, or other equipment that will be placed inside of the containment wall system. Unfold the 30 ml textured polyethylene liner and lay it over the walls of the system. Walk around the containment area to ensure the liner is laying flat. The liner should then be secured in place using the included clips. This can be done by simply pushing down firmly or with a rubber or wooden mallet. Load vehicles, equipment, or tanks into the containment area. After loading the area, install the final wall and secure the liner using the included clips. If desired, the liner can be trimmed for a more finished appearance. Assembly of the Ultra-Containment Wall M2 system is now complete. For questions or more information on the Ultra-Containment Wall M2, please visit us on the web at spillcontainment.com or call us at 904-292-1611.